So first off, you can notice this is way cooler than a normal lighter. So it's got this neck that'll bend. So if you need to put it in a candle, you need to, adjust anything, make it easier so your hand's out of the way of a fire. That's definitely comes in handy. Right here, there's a little charger, so you never have to worry about batteries, which is really cool. So over here, you notice there's nothing lit up. That's because there's an on-off button to protect you in case you have any kids in the house, you accidentally hit the power button without meaning to, so it's like a safety switch. So you're going to switch it to on. And this light here is indicating battery power. The higher up it goes, the more battery you have. So you have notice before the battery shuts down and you're going to have to recharge it. So that gives you that heads up. This is the power button. So when I press this, take a look at what goes on here. That gives it some really cool points. Shuts off, right back. So I have to say, I have a stove that one light won't go on. You hear click, 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 and all of a sudden it's like boom in my face when it finally goes on, and it's very dangerous. And this little guy right here has saved me from wanting to get a new stove because I turn it on, I hear click, click, boom, right on. Nothing dangerous, nothing blowing up in my face. And again, when you're done using it, put it down so no kid is getting to it, nobody's accidentally hitting it. And again, really cool item. I would definitely recommend this.
Like some sort of holy spider watching it all.